Hey, this is Josh with Grimco. Just going to do a quick video on how to manually configure an IP address to directly connect a device uh, to a Ethernet port on your PC directly. In this case, specifically the HP Latex Cutter Plus. So first you'll want to configure an IP address. You're basically just going to be making one up. Uh, I usually look at what my network settings is. So I come in here and do an IP config and see what the IP address of my local network is. I want to use something different than that. I don't want to use my wireless LAN connection or whatever. I want a different set of four numbers like that. So on the HP Cutter, you're going to go into the menu, go to Configuration, Ethernet, DHCP, make sure DHCP is off, and then you can enter the IP address manually. I suggest something like 10.1.10.100. So that'll be the plotter's IP address. Just something different than what your actual LAN network does, your wired network or your internet network does. You don't want to have a conflict, so we're picking numbers that are different. And then it'll ask for a subnet mask. This doesn't really matter, but I just usually enter it anyway just to be consistent. Just enter it like that, 255.255.255.0. So plotters IP, and then you've got the subnet here. So we'll enter those numbers in for the machine. Again, do that on the front panel by going into the menu, configuration, Ethernet, DHCP, and then plugging those numbers in there. And then once you have the plotter saved out, so it's got this new address, you're going to directly connect the plotter to the open port in the back of the PC. And fortunately for you, you do have an extra port there, so you can just plug it in directly. So what you'll do is go into your Windows, go to Control Panel, go to your Network and Sharing, so Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and then change adapter settings. And this will show you all your network adapters. So you'll pick that one that says network cable unplugged, and that'll be the open port on your machine. Right click here, go to properties. If it is plugged in, by the way, to the plotter, but it hasn't been configured yet, it'll say something like unknown network detected or something like that. Either way is fine. Right click, go to properties, and then you're going to choose your Internet Protocol version 4 properties, and then it'll probably be like this. It'll probably have obtain an IP address automatically, obtain DNS server automatically, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the obtain automatically, and I'm going to put in a similar number. So it's going to look a lot like these numbers, but the last number, at least on the IP, is going to be different. So we'll go 10.1.10, and it needs to be a different number, so we'll do like 105 or something like that. And then again, the subnet's not really critical, but we'll go ahead and plug it in just so everything's consistent. And then we don't really need to worry about a gateway either. Sometimes I'll just enter a number here too as well, but again, not really important when you're doing a direct connection like that. Again, last number would just be something different. Generally, gateways are going to be .1 when you're dealing with a router or something. In this case, we're not even worried about a router, so they don't really matter. So that should be it. Just save out of this. What did I do? Oh, I put a 255 here. 255.255.255.0. And then save that out. And that should be it. So hopefully that helps. That's all you need to do to direct connect. Thanks.